Hi guys, I'm here to show you the problem that if it's factor theorem or not. So here's our problem. Shows that x minus 2 is a factor of polynomial equation is equal to x squared minus 3x squared minus 4x plus 12. Okay, simulan natin. So, lahat ng x ay magiging 2 is equal to 2 minus 3 2 squared minus 4 2 plus 12. So, copy lang. So, equal to 2 cube. What is the answer? 8. And then, minus 3 times 2 squared is equal to 12. Tama. Okay. 8. Tama, 8 na. 4 times 2, 8. And then, plus 12. So, P is equal to 8 minus 12 minus 8 plus 12. 8 minus 12 is equal to negative 4 minus 8 is equal to negative 12 plus 12 is equal to 0. So, equal to 0. Kaya, factor theorem siya. Let's go.